All right, what's going on? Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, X, Twitter. How you guys doing? It's Bert Ferguson, Realtor here, coming to you guys with another real estate related video. I've been coming to you guys every week with different topics, different things that are super relevant to my career, to the real estate space, really all that stuff. But today I'm going to come to you guys with a video on real estate investing, but a little bit different than what I've been seeing. So make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and we're going to get into the video. So today I'm going to talk to you guys about real estate investment trusts, REITs. So I'm a realtor. I've been working in real estate for 8 years now, and every so often people come up to me and want to learn how to invest in real estate. Everyone wants to get an investment property. Everybody wants to be a landlord, right? Everyone wants to have passive income with real estate, and everyone comes to me looking to try to figure out, Bert, I want to get in real estate investing. And I feel like most people, when they think real estate investing, they are actually talking about purchasing a property, doing the buy and hold method, fix and flip method, the BRRR method, all of these different ways you can use an actual residential property to put money in, do a project, and get money out in some kind of way. And most people want to do it passively. But I feel like REITs, or real estate investment trusts, are one of the sweet spots of real estate investing that just doesn't get talked about a lot. So since I'm a realtor, I work in the real estate space, I feel like this is a super relevant topic. So today we're going to talk about REITs, or real estate investment trusts. So what are REITs? Real estate investment trusts are just like mutual funds, right? You can put a small amount in, or a more manageable amount in, to a pool of funds that invests in real estate. A lot of the times these properties are going to be commercial properties, apartment buildings, data centers, healthcare complexes, malls, things like that, right? And you can basically take a manageable amount of money and still get some real estate exposure. And I feel like that this space doesn't get talked about a lot. So REITs were started in the 1960s, and they were created to let a smaller investor still get in on the action of real estate and make that money in a more manageable way. And I love REITs. I'm personally invested in REITs, and I'll even leave a couple of different real estate investment trusts that are right on the stock market, right? They're right on the New York Stock Exchange. So you can literally have a public trading account, and you today can be a real estate investor through real estate investment trusts. They're really great because, one, you have liquidity. When you purchase a piece of real estate to do an investment project, a lot of the times your money is tied up in that property. Whereas with a real estate investment trust, which is similar to a mutual fund, you can get that money out very, very quickly. Two is diversification of your portfolio. You can get exposure to a lot of different styles of properties, or a lot of different asset properties, all in your fund. Okay, whether you do Simon Properties, or you do one of these healthcare or data center real estate investment trusts, you can get a big exposure to a lot of different commercial real estate styles and uses all in one fund. They're really great for that. Okay, and three that I love about real estate investment trusts is asset management. A lot of people who get into the real estate space to try to invest, or first-time investors, do not have good management. They don't have a management system. They don't have a management anything. They don't know how to actually assess this risk and manage it properly, and usually always lose money if they're an initial investor with a small amount of money without the proper network. Real estate investment trusts take all that away. They do all of that work for you. So the portfolio is managed by complete professionals, right? And it really just takes a lot of risk out of the equation, which is great with your money, right? There are some downsides, I would say, to real estate investment trusts, and that sometimes you can't actually go to the property itself to see what your fund is investing in, which can be a little bit of a risk to some people. You might want to see what area this is in. Is this area going up? Is it going down? Is there highways around it? What are some of the factors about this property that your real estate investment trust is investing in that might be a negative for you? Sometimes you're not going to be able to see that. But on the other side, they do a lot of that for you. A lot of these real estate investment trusts have structures and risk assessments set in place so that they do all of that heavy lifting for you. Okay. So a lot of people are doing real estate investing. Everyone right now is looking to see where they can park their money to make it grow. I really think you guys should look into real estate investment trusts or REITs as a quick, sustainable, and even a long-term investment play in the real estate space. It kind of takes away a lot of the risk of real estate, but you get a lot of the rewards of real estate as well. And you're in a pool of funds together, very similar to a mutual fund. So if you watch this video and you're wondering, where do I get in on these shares of a real estate investment trust? I would say go to a professional trading account. You do have various ones, okay? You've got like Ameritrade or Webull or one of these, investment websites where you can literally open up a public account and you can start to trade on the stock market, and you can plug in one of these real estate investment trusts that I'll leave in this video. And there are plenty more. And again, this is not investment advice. Full disclosure. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just giving you another alternative. But anyway, you can go to a professional public trading site, okay, where all the investments are put right on the stock market, all of the ticker symbols, and you can invest right there, okay? Some websites like Webull, they let you get a fractional amount of the share. So if one share of a real estate investment trust is $100, you can invest $20 and still get some of that fractional investment and work your way up to a full share. I love that. So as a realtor, that's what I kind of want to give you guys today in the real estate space. For those real estate investors out there, maybe you realistically don't have the time, the money, the network, the experience to go in on a full property with yourself right now as a project. Check out real estate investment trusts. All right. So that's my video today, guys. Real estate investment trusts. Anybody going to do this? Is anybody going to invest in a real estate investment trust this week? Let me know down in the comments. All right, guys. See ya.